guys, welcome to my first vlog of 2023. My name is Eunice if you are new here. Today I'm going to be putting away all of our Christmas decor and also doing some cleaning up around the home to refresh it for the new year. I thought it'd be really fun to share some of my New Year's resolutions as I go about the day. I put up a poll this morning asking whether you have put away your decor, and 59% of you so far have said that you already did, which I was surprised to find out because it doesn't feel like it's been that long since Christmas, but y'all are productive. I thought I would want my Christmas decor up for longer, but I think I'm just ready for a new start. I'm ready for the new year. I'm feeling motivated. We had a really busy holiday break. We road tripped up to Oregon with some friends, and then we also had a friend visit from LA and stay at our place, which was a lot of fun, but I think I'm ready to get back into my routine. I've got my drink here. I usually go for a cozy drink before cleaning, but today I'm feeling something iced. This is misogaru, which if you haven't heard of is a Korean mixed grain drink. It comes in these little packets. You just mix it in with some water and ice, and it's so refreshing. It's so good. It's got this nutty flavor. All right, y'all, let's get to cleaning.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than life.
So my word for 2023 is play, and I don't mean play in the obvious context of like entertainment, but more so in the day-to-day. To me, inviting play into my life means to enjoy the process more. I'm a very goal-oriented person, but sometimes it can take a hold of me. Like I can be too fixated on the end goal. That can lead to having unrealistic expectations, over-stressing. I also want to not take myself so seriously, and I want to try new things. I want to make challenging, realistic goals, but create room for me to enjoy what I'm doing. Do you have a word of the year? I would love to find out if you do. Comment below. One New Year's goal that I have for this year is to be more consistent on YouTube. My aim is to post a video once a week, but also to engage with you guys more on my community tab. I'm currently reading a book called Company of One, and there's a chapter in it that talks about how sustaining a small and successful business means that you're focused on the users or the audience that you already have, and you're constantly thinking about how to make your work, your offering, or your content, in my case, better instead of making it bigger and appealing it to more people. And I really want to hone in on that this year and focus on building and strengthening the relationships that I already have on my channel and working on building a strong foundation for future growth. Over the past few years, it has been a challenge for me to upload consistently. And in the beginning, it was because I was working on really big projects like the makeovers and DIYs, and I started to burn out. So to prevent me from burning out, I am constantly thinking about how can I improve my process and make my work easier for me so that I can show up regularly and consistently. I saved the box that my base ornaments came in, and it's been so useful every year for storing them away. If you don't have a box like this, I will link some really neat ornament organizers that I found online down for you below.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home.
Another resolution that I have this year is to subtract when I add something new in my home. And that is a reminder for me to be more intentional about what I bring into my home. And that includes everything from home decor to even clothing. There's a few reasons for this. One is we don't have much storage space, so I want to be mindful about that so that we are not creating unnecessary clutter. I prefer having things that are long lasting that I know I will enjoy and value for a long time over buying things that are trendy and having things end up back at the thrift store. I'm gonna put all of my real life stuff into this box. So that includes the pine cones, the dried oranges, which I don't know if I should keep these because I don't know if it might rot, but they are very dried. And also my baby's breath flowers, which I loved having in the tree this year. It added such a lovely vibe to it. Okay, so quick round of resolutions because I feel like I dove pretty deep into the last two. Some other goals are to practice more gratitude, work out more regularly. I usually do Barry's boot camp once a week at least, which is a very intense workout, but I want to incorporate more less intense and more regular activity into my routine. We're planning for our wedding in August, so I definitely want to prioritize that and enjoy the process. I'm loving it so far because I'm already so into design and hosting and all that stuff. So it definitely feels like a hobby to plan my wedding outside of YouTube. Another goal is to only do things if it's a hell yeah. So if it lights me up, then I'm gonna do it. Otherwise, I will pass because I am just too busy to spend my time on things that don't excite me. And that is so that I can protect my energy and time. So it's a few hours later, right after I put away most of our Christmas decor, we went out for golf practice and then I had to return some things. There's a storm happening again here in the Bay Area for the next week, and I think today is the only day where it's not gonna rain, so we wanted to get our errands done with. We had some dinner and now I'm back and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm thinking I'll do more vlogs like this at the most like once a month and mix them in with my normal videos. Let me know what you think about that, and if you'd like to see more vlogs like this, give this video a like to let me know. I'm hoping that your New Year is off to a good start so far. I had a lot of fun sharing some of my New Year's resolutions. It definitely took me longer to put away my Christmas decor because I was filming and vlogging and talking as I was doing it. So I thought I'd get more cleaning done today, but it's totally fine. Well, anyways, I'm wishing you all a happy new year and I'll see you in my next one.